I'm going to try to catch a couple bluegills, but first I need some worms. So we've got a trusty trowel here in the little container. Keep some worms in it. And hopefully if it doesn't rain, we can sneak on down to the lake, catch a couple bluegill that are big enough to eat. So we'll see what happens. Alright, just right out here at the back of the deck. Just going to dig down. There's not very big worms here, but for catching bluegill, it's not really that important. Oh, come on phone, don't be dinging. There's one right there. That's actually pretty good size for here. There you go. Don't need too many. I just like, 2 or 3 bluegill to eat for dinner tonight. That's all I want. There's another one. Sprinkle a little dirt in there for him. Yeah, there's another one, but he's really little. We'll let him go. Oh, there's a good one. That's 2 or 3 baits worth right there. Boom. Maybe one more will be good enough. Uh-oh. Oh, we got a real good one there. Shoo-wee. Oh, and there's another bitty tiny one. But there's a good one. So that'll do it. Alright, so this is all I'm taking with me. A stringer. This monster pole right here called the Dock Demon. It's old. This thing's been falling off. I just got it held together with electrical tape. Still works. Not the greatest, but it works. And of course a couple worms. Now since it might rain, let me show you. Oh, it's not looking too great. It might blow over, but I can't risk taking my big camera, so I'll just use my phone and the GoPro. But I'm gonna put this camera up and get ready and walk down there. Alright, got the GoPro strapped on, got the stringer sticking in my pocket, got my pole, got the worms, so let's roll. Hopefully it don't rain. If y'all can come with me on, see how far it is to walk down to the lake. It looks nice and calm. There's a lot of good things about where I'm living, but there's one bad thing. You can see this blacktop road here. They're going to be building houses within like the next few years alongside this road. So that sucks for me. And once that happens, once that construction happens, I ain't dealing with that. I'll be finding a new place to live because I ain't listening to that sound all the time. Alright, we're about here. Let's stop and grab a worm. I know you're all jealous of my nice pole here, the Dock Demon. Let's see what happens. Let's try throwing it way out there, see what happens. Because the water's kind of clear, they can see me. Oh, look at that crane. Hope we can see it. A heron, maybe they call it. Awesome. Better not be eating up all the fish, daggone bird. Let's put a little bit more worm on there. Kind of give it a little bit of action. I want it a little bit more. Something come up right there. I have terrible luck in this bottom lake. I don't know why. We got one. Woo, it's a little bitty fella. Right there. That's good catfish bait right there. Yes, sir. We're not going to keep him though. We'll let him go. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Easy, big fella. All right. We're on the board though, baby. Woo! You always need a towel in fishing. Up, up. All right, let's catch another one. All right, I'm good now. I can put this video out. I caught a fish. All right, let's try a different spot. We ain't got time to waste. Throw it out here by this little stump. All right, let me go get the worms again. Then we're going down to the dam. I should have just been carrying them with me. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Where are they at? Come on now, it's a blue lid on it. I should be able to see it. Oh, where in the heck did that thing go? Well, geez, oh Pete, man. How do you lose it? Oh my goodness. You ever just feel down? Jeez. Oh, there's two cranes. I've only seen one out here. Check them out. Maybe that one ran the other one off. But where in the heck? Because I started to come down right over here. It's got to be back that way. Gotta be. Alright. It's costing me time, valuable time. How in the heck does that thing disappear in the grass? I don't know. It should be around in here. There it is up there. We got it. I'll just bring it with me. How about that? It's a good thing about this little pole. All these trees are around. It's alright, I can still cast. Boom. If you can see it. Right here. Wild garlic. How you tell the difference between garlic and onion. The garlic is hollow. I think they both smell like onion. But now to my understanding, this is the garlic. But either way, if it's garlic or onion, perfectly edible. Tall, darker than the other grass. Remember that, and hollow. Boom. I think I had a little nibble and I wasn't paying attention. Come on, take it. Take it. Missed it. Just a little guy. Got him. Got him. Hey, that's two fish though, right? No matter how big. Boom. Another bait size. Now when it's catfishing time, this is what I'm going to be doing. I'll be coming down here catching some of these guys. Throwing them on a hook. Catching big catfish. Lots of meat on them. It's not my favorite fish, but my philosophy has definitely changed in life, and food is food, and if it's free, it's for me. I think I hit the tree branch here or something. There we go. Cast it back out a few feet. That's about where that other one was. I might not want to catch a bigger one. It'd be hard to reel in with this pole. There we go, that's the spot. You always want to make sure it's kind of on the point of that hook. Let me get rid of this here tree. It's in my way. Boom. Stand on it. Problem solved. There we go. Get out there deeper now. Nice big chunk again. While these fish I'm catching right now might not be that big, keep in mind, bluegill, there is no size limit on them, so you could eat these, use them for bait, whatever you want to do. And you know, the good part is it's 100% free because I dug the worms, catching the fish. Oh no, that might do it, guys. That's not good. Yep, looks like that's going to do it for us. Probably going to have to break this line and lose my bobber. Hey, that's fishing though, right? So there it goes. Broke my line. That's alright. Still had a good time. Caught a couple little fish. Got out of the house. And that's all that's important right now, because everybody's stuck at home. So that's alright. It was fun. I caught some fish, so I can justify putting this video out. You know, I don't even remember how many times I've come down here this year recording video. At least 15 times probably, and not caught a single fish. So all that recording and setup for the videos and this and that was all a waste of time, but not this one. I'm putting it out. I think it's good just to be putting content out right now. Every time you go fishing or something, you don't bring extra tackle on things, you're just setting yourself up really. But I knew what I was doing. I knew I had a chance of breaking my line, and I was alright with that. No big deal. Lately I have had a bad time of it. So last week, my favorite pole, which is like it was like a 4-foot pole with a little reel on it, like a classic spinning reel, not this kind. But the gears stripped out in it last week, so it messed it up. And then yesterday, I think it was yesterday, the day before yesterday, went bass fishing with Dad, trying to make a video too, of course. And I had two bait casters, both of them bird nest, really super bad. And actually one, the very first cast I made that day, bird nest. Which I eventually got it out and I retied. But on the second, my other pole that I used my buzz bait on, my favorite bait, it bird nested so bad I had to cut all the line off of it. And then today I broke my line. Last 3 times I went fishing, I had 4 problems. Not good. But it's good to get that bad luck out of the way, I guess. Alright guys, that'll do it. Had a good time. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.